Investors look for large gets back with NFTs. Kindly utilize the sharing devices found through the offer button at the top or side of articles. Duplicating articles to impart to others is a break of ft.com T&Cs and copyright policy. Email licensing at ft.com to purchase extra freedoms. Endorsers might share up to 10 or 20 articles each month utilizing the gift article administration. Financial speculators are furrowing millions into computerized craftsmanship, virtual land, and online collectibles, the new boondocks for financial backers looking for enormous returns in crypto. Advanced things known as non-fungible tokens, NFTs, burst into standard culture last year, rapidly turning into a multibillion-dollar market, going from PC-produced workmanship parts of animation characters costing huge number of dollars. Andreessen Horowitz and Paradigm, two of the biggest cryptographic money adventure store chiefs, have started putting straightforwardly in NFTs, as per individuals acquainted with the buys. A few expert cash directors have likewise raised huge number of dollars in new NFT reserves. The premium from proficient financial backers mirrors a conviction that advanced things will acquire in esteem as additional individuals invest energy in another rendition of the web coordinated by digital forms of money. However, NFTs, which can be much more unstable than the more extensive digital money market, additionally represent a few new dangers for reserve directors. Numerous dealers expect by far most of the market to tumble to nothing, and the lawful status of computerized collectibles stays in transition. This week, disturbance in the supposed stablecoins Terra and Tether has provoked worry about infection in the more extensive cryptographic money markets, underlining the theoretical idea of advanced resources. Raising support has major areas of strength for been ongoing months. One confirmation, perhaps the earliest financial backer in the prevailing NFT commercial center OpenSea, has raised $50 million for a NFT store that could eventually get up to $100 million from financial backers, as indicated by administrative filings. Punk6529, a pseudonymous web character with in excess of 350,000 devotees on Twitter, as of late raised $75 million for an asset that purchases blue-chip NFTs. Some customary investors have bounced in also, getting involved with well-known assortments, for example, the Bored Ape Yacht Club, which has flooded in cost during the previous year on the rear of superstar supports and web-based entertainment publicity. Whenever we contemplate purchasing NFTs, it's in accordance with our speculation methodology, which is pondering putting resources into things that can possibly return numerous products of the asset, said Ophelia Brown, overseeing accomplice of the Endeavor Reserve Blossom Capital. An early financial backer in the installments fire up checkout.com, Blossom claims a few Bored Apes and one CryptoPunk. The asset has additionally considered getting in Azuki, an assortment with a passage cost of about $20,000. Brown said the ventures don't make up a critical piece of Blossom's first $85 million reserve yet can possibly develop a lot bigger in size. Andreessen and Paradigm declined to remark on insights regarding their NFT ventures. The two organizations have made enormous interests in new businesses that make NFTs. Last month. Kindly utilize the sharing instruments found by means of the offer button at the top or side of articles. Duplicating articles to impart to others is a break of ft.com T&Cs and copyright policy. Email licensing at ft.com to purchase extra freedoms. Supporters might share up to 10 or 20 articles each month utilizing the gift article administration. More data can be found at https://www.ft.com/visit. https://www.ft.com/d26885-82-479b-243e63e7ef5c. Punk6529, who declined to give his original name due to security concerns, said he chose to raise an asset to give an NFT local source for the flood of large cash financial backers he hopes to enter the market. He said NFTs will become vital for what he calls the open metaverse, a broad virtual jungle gym where 3D symbols can blend. This cash will come into the space at any rate, Punk6529 said. The option is that it will come in through 2 or 3 people from Goldman Sachs. A few financial backers have secretly addressed whether such huge assets can track down an adequate number of productive interests in the present market. NFTs on the Ethereum blockchain had an all-out market worth of $31.4 billion toward the finish of last year, with more than 80% in social collectibles and profile picture activities like Bored Apes, as indicated by one confirmation appraisals. Early purchasers have made huge returns. The worth of a NFT list created by 3 scholarly digital currency specialists rose 295% from the start of 2018 to this week, even after a 50% decline starting from the beginning of this current year. A file following the 5 most significant assortments, including Bored Apes and CryptoPunks, has taken off 1,700% beginning around 2018, as indicated by similar scientists. If it's not too much trouble, utilize the sharing devices found through the offer button at the top or side of articles. Duplicating articles to impart to others is a break of ft.com T&Cs and copyright policy. Email licensing at ft.com to purchase extra freedoms. Endorsers might share up to 10 or 20 articles each month utilizing the gift article administration. More data can be found at https://www.ft.com/visit. https://www.ft.com/content/d268AE5-82-472E-493E63E7EF5C. Digital currency financial backers said it can in any case be challenging to pass judgment on the ability of NFT reserve supervisors since no one has fostered a standard benchmark for the more extensive market. NFTs, as they are currently, are truly not an investable resource class, said Alate Savinsky, a teacher of financial aspects at Yale University who aided build the NFT files. NFT reserves are purchasing what could be compared to various houses in the San Francisco region in the expectation of giving financial backers openness to the general real estate market in the U.S. Interest in NFT reserves has as of late spiked. Andrew Steinwald, overseeing accomplice of the NFT trading company's Furrowing, attempted with little karma to fundraise for an asset in the late spring of 2020. Be that as it may, his fortunes immediately turned as well-off digital currency holders started turning their consideration toward NFTs, and Furrowing appeared with a $5.3 million store in January last year. "We were the main young lady at the party," he said. Establishments, for example, gifts have still not shown a lot of interest in particular NFT reserves. All things being equal, many are upheld by large digital currency financial backers and rich family workplaces, which frequently have higher cravings for unsafe new resources. Furrowing is setting up a progression of assets that will just put resources into NFTs in individual classifications. The firm has set a $100 million focus for the main gaming-centered store, said 2 individuals informed on the subtleties. Steinwald said Furrowing plans to hold NFTs for over a year yet has frequently sold the speculations sooner in view of market pressures. "In a perfect world, we might want to go longer than that, yet additionally we're cognizant of the more extensive market and how things are moving there," he said. "We won't deny some ludicrous, transient addition.